In today's video, we're making a Southwest chili seasoning that literally changes everything. Because once you mix this at home, store-bought blends just won't hit the same. It's bold, a little spicy, and it comes together in minutes. Check the description for all the ingredients, measurements, and directions. Start with 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I used Mexican-style chili powder for that authentic touch, but you can use any mild version that you have on hand. Then go with 1.5 tablespoons of ground cumin for that deep Tex-Mex warmth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika for that rich color and smokiness. Now for the savory notes. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder, followed by 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano. For extra depth here, I add 1 teaspoon of ground coriander and 1 teaspoon of ancho chili powder for a mild, earthy heat. Then go with 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt. For a little surprise depth, go in with 1/2 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and finish with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, depending on how spicy you like it. Once everything's in, grab a spoon or a small whisk and mix it really well. Take a moment here. You want every spice evenly blended so each scoop tastes just right. If you love easy homemade recipes like this, don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe for more flavor-packed recipes. And yes, tap that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And just like that, your Southwest chili seasoning is ready to use. This recipe makes just under 1 cup of seasoning, which is perfect not only for chilies, but also to sprinkle on meats and veggies. If you make this seasoning ahead or have any leftovers, transfer it to an airtight glass jar and store it in a cool, dry place. It'll stay fresh and aromatic for several months. So give this one a try and come back and tell us how you used it. We'll be back very soon with another simple recipe.